this. I'm gonna fuck this. Fuck! They're all wrong. This is my first skateboard. But this shit sucks ass. I know exactly how to repair this. We should start with the trucks. Do you see that? What the fuck? There's only one bushing. They are for itself. It's just used. I mean, look at this. The wheels, bearings as well. It's in. I'm gonna ride it soon. How do I open this? If you're laughing at me. Fuck. This is another racket. It's rusting already. It's rusting! I'm scared of doing this. Shit, those are nice. I'm gonna fuck this up so bad. I'm gonna fuck this up. I'm gonna fuck this up. Get it fucking up. Oh, what's next? Okay. I got the box knife and the screwdriver. Fuck! I scratched. No! Okay, no! I wasn't ready. I did a horrible job. Oh my fuck. You can see it, right? I fucked the grip. Fuck. It's there though. It is this small. Of course, because it doesn't fit. I can at least try to fix the bushings. At least it doesn't look as broken. It's morning, and I'm gonna get my screws today. I didn't have any, but I built that skateboard, the old one. It doesn't suck anymore. But I still need to wait for the fucking bear. They're all wrong. Not only they're fucking wrong, but they don't even fit in this fucking skate tube. Guess what? Got it. This is literally it. I know. Okay, so I just found out that now that the skateboard is done, I don't have the footage of me applying the screws. I didn't even fucking show you guys. I got 10. 8 by. Okay, so I finally got the bushing. I ordered this for Timu, by the way. Got it. And I even got a sticker. Never mind, it was not a scam. These don't spin. Like, they don't. It was not a scam. But these do. Nuts. Got the first one. I got Broomik. I got Broomik. I got Broomik. Alright, oh wait, I just gotta really. I didn't record it down. Fuck. Look how much it spins. This skateboard is perfect. Let's go. It's already so fucking dirty. I still suck at this. So let's shove it now. God, this feels so much better. I suck. Backside shove it? Nope. Okay, that should be all. Hope you enjoyed it. One more thing. I have so many stickers. I want to put on this thing. I love this window. Peace, y'all.